He will never find out about us. Oh, I love me some luxury shopping.
Let me cook some food for my wife. She will be very happy.
I don't want to spend life with poor you, huh? I am leaving.
But I love you.
I leave him and come to you.
I don't want you.
I should have choose love, not money. Hello, friend.